Hello, family. I'm Sonia Bird, and I'm so honored to be with you. I'm super excited to be a part of the team serving as your Legal Shield representative. Thank you for having me. Jot down my number and feel free to call me anytime. Remember shopping at the mall or buying CDs? Well, Amazon came along. We no longer have to leave the comfort of our homes. We can go to Amazon, buy whatever we want, and Amazon will deliver, making shopping simpler, easier, and more affordable. What about Spotify? They changed the way we buy music. We can just download the song we want and listen to it as often as we like. What about access to the legal justice system? Well, Legal Shield has come along and disrupted that industry, making access to our rights simpler, easier, and more affordable through the Legal Shield mobile app. At Legal Shield, we protect your rights and we protect your identity. For over 48 years, Legal Shield has been protecting and empowering millions of people. We've been featured in many financial publications, and the Better Business Bureau gives us an A+ rating. Our vision, and if you can answer yes to any of the questions on the slides, you and your family can benefit from the Legal Shield and ID Shield memberships. Have you ever signed a contract or document, been overcharged or treated unfairly, received a traffic ticket, had a real estate transaction, been a victim of identity theft or data breach, needed to prepare or update your will, had a landlord tenant issue, or maybe concerned about your child's identity? If you can answer yes to any of those, then you can benefit from the Legal Shield services because an attorney can definitely better the outcome. Whenever you have a question or concern, be it past, present, or future, no matter how trivial or how traumatic your situation may be, just tap your app, call your law firm, and say, I need advice on. An attorney that specializes in your area of need will return your call within 8 business hours. The first area of coverage is personal legal advice on an unlimited number of issues. If you have a question about divorce, child custody, child support, tax issue, if you get into one accident, 24 accidents a day, or if your neighbor's dog is barking, keeping you up at night, just call your attorneys and find out what your rights are and what you can do. No more stressing, guessing, crossing your fingers. Just call your attorney. Your attorneys are also going to write letters and make phone calls on your behalf. Listen here, family. We've all had that gut feeling where things did not feel right, or perhaps in our head we knew it wasn't fair. Well, let me tell you, I have a friend who's also a teacher and she's a homeowner. Well, a storm blew through, damaged her roof. She hired contractors paid out of pocket to have the damages repaired. She then decided to file on her homeowner's insurance. They denied the claim. She called Legal Shield. They suggested writing a letter to the insurance company and to the legal department. Her insurance company called her after receiving the letter, apologizing profusely. And not only that, they reimbursed her and paid her a great deal more because of the legal muscle she was able to flex. Have you signed a contract or document that you didn't read or fully understand just to regret it later? Cell phone contract, fitness gym contract, timeshare, marriage certificate? Hey, gotta read the fine print. The bold print, give it, but the small fine print, take it away. We even handle family domestic services, uncontested, divorce, adoption, separation, name change. There's a portion on your app to upload any documents you need to send your law firm. We also have traffic ticket assistance. We don't fix tickets and we don't condone breaking the law. Do you have teenage drivers or perhaps drive like a teenager? Or maybe you feel that you don't even get tickets. But let me tell you, if you're behind the wheel, you're at risk for receiving a moving traffic violation. And when that happens, just take a snapshot of the ticket, upload it, push send, it goes directly to your law firm. Within 4 business hours, your traffic attorney is going to call you, letting you know that they'll be going to court with you or for you. The purpose of Legal Shield is to help keep your insurance costs from increasing. They'll work to remove points and to get the ticket dismissed. This saves you time, money, and gives you the peace of mind that you and your family deserve. We have the emergency access. I really like this part of our membership. And parents, if there's one app your kids need on their phone, it's the Legal Shield mobile app. Because with the 24/7 emergency access, if you're being questioned, detained, arrested, or children are being removed from your custody, keep in mind bad things happen to good people after hours, weekends, holidays. And when that happens, you can definitely call your attorneys. Let me ask you this. What attorney has been assigned to your family for 24/7 emergency access? What is his or her name? What is their phone number? And how soon will they pick up the phone? If you get in a tragic accident, guys, listen, if this is you or one of your loved ones, okay, it's a tragic accident and they happen every day on our highways and someone's life is taken, this is devastating, emotionally devastating, and can be financially devastating if you're facing criminal charges, vehicular homicide, negligent homicide, manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter. But win, lose, or draw, no matter how long it takes or how much it costs, if you are a licensed driver, you're not driving under the influence, your vehicle is properly registered, Legal Shield 100% is got your back. Your legal expenses are paid for. Should you be pulled over, go ahead and tap your app, get your attorney online on speakerphone. By the time the officer gets out of his or her car into your door, when your window goes down, let the officer know your attorneys are on speakerphone and this is being recorded. Your attorney is going to immediately step in and have words with the officer. This is to make sure that our member is safe and their rights are not being violated, and also the officer feels safe. Keep in mind, neither party knows the state of mind of the person on the other side of that door. And so the attorney is serving as a mediator between the two. Guys, this is peace of mind. I'm telling you, this is a great service for you and your family. But we're also going to do your estate planning, which is your last will and testament. This is the last love letter to leave your family. Should anything happen to you, we want to make sure that your wishes are honored. Guys, listen, so many people have left us during this pandemic. If you have been procrastinating and putting your will off, go ahead, enroll in the services and go ahead and get it done. This is included with your membership. It's valued at $500 to $2,000. And you may be a do not resuscitate person. You don't want your family burdened with that decision. And you get to state who you want to become custody of your children should anything happen to you. So again, get this love letter done. It's included with your membership. This is peace of mind. Anything that I've not mentioned or that you did not see on the slide is covered here. This is our catch-all. You receive a 25 preferred members only discount for anything else that I didn't cover. So your Legal Shield members covers everything either at 100% or at the preferred members only discount. Call your attorneys and ask about contingency cases. And this is everyone who's covered, including your 26-year-old adult children living at home, never been married, full-time college students can live anywhere. Which would you choose? $250 per hour for one attorney practicing one area of law, or $23.95 per month to have access to a national network of top-rated law firms. Identity theft is the second problem that we're solving, and it's the fastest growing crime in the world, the number one crime in the world. Criminals don't want your money, they want your identity. They want to steal your future. And let me tell you, this is continuous monitoring and alerts for everything that matters. And parents, you've got kids, they have social security numbers that can be sold on the dark web. Please protect your children. They can't make that decision today, but you can. Also, medical identity theft. Keep in mind, a criminal's medical history can be attributed to you, and that can mean life and death. Also, driver's license identity theft. A thief can use your information, leaving warrants out for your arrest. Guys, listen, we're going to monitor, and if there's any suspicious activity, you'll receive an alert. Now, if it's you, fine, but if it's not, you've got licensed private investigators that are going to do whatever it takes for as long as it takes. It's comprehensive restoration with the $1 million protection policy. We're the only service that has licensed private investigators. If the professionals are going to steal your information, allow the professionals to restore your information. The member is $8.95 for the individual. For the family, $18.95 covers up to 10 dependent children. Please visit this resource center. It's updated on a regular. The combo plan for the family is $38.90. For the individual is $32.90. But we don't want you to feel you're taking on another bill. That's why we have over 400 companies that you're already doing business with. Why not start saving? Guys, you will offset the price of your membership. You can literally save hundreds of dollars each month with members' perks. I shop Office Depot. My $151 bill is like $41 at the register. I have a friend who shopped a men's apparel store. His $400 bill was only $200 at the register. We had a member save over $6,000 purchasing a brand new car. So please visit Members Perks and start saving money. It'll cost you more not to have Legal Shield and ID Shield. That's my time. I want to thank you all for having me. It's such an honor and a pleasure to serve as your Legal Shield representative. There's a link provided to this group. You should have received an email. If not, go ahead and give me a call and I'll provide you the link for you to go to sign on for the services. Thank you so much. It's an honor and a pleasure. Please be safe and be blessed.